Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. Today, I'm going to talk to you about some updated products and some new bundles of products that I have put together in my laboratory to make things easier for you when it comes to getting the stuff you need to keep your car happy. So we're going to talk about three things today, guys. The first one is our carbon fiber and Napa leather steering wheels that we introduced for the C6, C7, and C8 recently have sold quite well, and I've got a handful of updated versions with different colors on them. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So our first item today is the C7 carbon fiber with Napa leather wheel, just like we had before, but now I do have a handful with red stitching and the red centering mark on the wheel. Several of you guys asked for these. I only have a handful of them right now. They're going to be up on the website. They are the same price as the ones that are black stitching without this mark at $300 shipped to your door. If you've been waiting on something with red stitching and the hash mark, now's the time because I won't have more for at least 2 months. Next up, we have the C8 carbon fiber and Napa leather steering wheel, also with the red stitching and the red hash mark. Again, I only have a handful of these, so if you were waiting on the red color to come in, here it is. I only have a handful. Come get it. It's on our website. Okay, guys, so I've actually put together two bundles of stuff for the C5 that really go together, parts that all kind of work together. I love bundles because I can give you guys better prices on 5 or 6 items or 3 or 4 items in a bundle than I can individually, and shipping is still all included. It's still free. So one of the things I thought of is, okay, what items do I sell most frequently, but I have to tell people about them in order for them to get the things they need? The first bit of bundle I came up with was for the C5 seat plastic trim. So the bundle I have come up with includes the seat switch bezel, and we're going to have this for right-hand seat, left-hand seat, and of course, if you want to do both seats, you can buy a bundle that has everything for both seats. But the bundle consists of the seat switch bezel, the seat back release switch bezel in color. So we have it in gray, black, red, tan, all the colors will be listed, but I have most of the colors involved. And of course, a brand new seat recline lever, including the clip that locks it in place. These tend to break out right here and they get loose. This is all the plastic you need for the outside of one seat. And you can buy a driver's seat, a passenger seat, or a full set. The cool part is this 3-piece kit for your driver's or passenger seat is $29.50 shipped to your door anywhere in the US. Same for the passenger seat. If you want both seats, it is $59 flat shipped to your door. So these are up and ready to go. You know, it took me a while to try to come up with a name for this bundle. It's for the C5, and I'm going to call it the Annoying Plastic Stuff Bundle. These are all the little bits of plastic in your C5 that are constantly falling out, breaking, missing. I'm going to put it all into a bundle so that you guys can have this in your closet or in your toolbox. And as these things break, you already have one to put back in your car. So this bundle consists of 2 door panel plugs. If you own a C5, you know exactly what this is and exactly how problematic they can be. So in the bundle, you get a pair of these. You get the ambient air sensor cover that's right next to your ignition switch. These break all the time. You get one of those. This one's really special. This is the bezel that goes around your lock cylinder for your ignition. And what happens is, as they age, these little teeth break, and this starts to kind of wobble like this in your dash, and it gets loose. So brand new one of these, exact reproduction. We have the C5 sun visor clips that go up on your windshield frame, and they hold your sun visors in place. They snap in on the inboard side close to your mirror. A pair of these guys, and also part of the bundle, a brand new full set of reproduction radio knobs for the stock radio, because we know the little ones always break and the big ones tend to get gummy and sticky. So that solves that problem. And finally, the last piece of this bundle is a brand new glove box latch, and we have them in all factory colors. You can select them upon checkout what color you want. So all of those things, the 2 door panel plugs, the ambient air sensor cover, the radio knob set, ignition switch bezel, sun visor clips, 2 of them, and the glove box latch in color, all of that entire bundle, $59.95, shipped anywhere in the United States. And that way, when things do break or fall out or disappear, you've got them and you don't have to go hunting for them and paying shipping on every single one. I'm really excited about the annoying plastic bits bundle because it's this thing that I'm constantly helping people put together on the phone when they call in their order, but now I can offer it to you where you can select your colors and do everything right online. So I hope you guys find this fun. I hope that you find it useful. And all of this is going to be located. Links to this are in the section just under the video. And you can go straight to CorvettePartsCenter.com and find them there. I hope you've enjoyed our little product intro today. I'll have more interesting Corvette news coming up later this week. Have a great one.